What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.055, up 2.8 on the day, sitting a market cap of 375 million. 24-hour volume, 330 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Email me or sign up email. Takes 2 minutes. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Talking chart patterns, talking all things crypto. These are the exchanges where I do my investing and trading. Let's hop into Gala. So we talked about yesterday a leading diagonal wave 1 and looking for a push up in a wave 2 pullback, which is exactly what we saw. Pushed right up in our target zone and we started to see a rejection. So if we do break down from here, we'd look for a wave 3. So if you take a trend-based strip extension from the top of the wave 1, bottom of wave 2, from the top of wave 1, bottom of wave 1, top of wave 2, you would target the 1.618 for a wave 3, which is coming in at 0.045. If we did come down to that level, what will happen is we will break the invalidation point for the bullish case of pushing up in that wave 5 of the ending diagonal, as we've been covering on the channel. So we gave that signal yesterday in the Discord, and that's exactly what we saw, pushed right up into our wave 2 pullback zone. If we do come up and break the 0.786, then less likelihood of a wave 2, and you could still potentially push up in that wave 5 of the ending diagonal. But as of right now, I am focused on the continuation to the downside until the chart says differently. If we break that high, and especially if we break the previous high at 0.058, it would invalidate that as a 1-2 setup. We broke down from a rising wedge, successful retest with yesterday's daily close. So if we do start to lose the 20 EMA, technical target will bring you down to about 0.042, which lines up with the 55 EMA. Of course, we have our divergences that we've been covering on the channel. So just long consolidation, but we have started to break down from this bearish pattern, and we had a successful pullback into our target zone, and we started to break down. So what you would look for is a 5-wave move. Potentially come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to come down at wave 3, especially if we break that low at 0.051. That's a support to watch. More confirmation of seeing continuation to the downside. However, if we were to bounce and break that high, then you could still put in a 5-wave impulse to complete a wave 5. I think that's a less likely scenario, but anything can happen. That's why I always have to give you guys both options, both scenarios, because this is crypto and it's absolutely insane. All right, gang, sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up. Email free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. The members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. And Mahado all plays, all coming in at $10 a month. Same price as a Big Mac meal or a Netflix subscription. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.